Collaborative research is there, joint inventions are there, right? The students are working in a same lab, so they are like coming together for that particular like any topic, and they are working together. So, in such scenario what happens, that who will be the like inventor for that particular creation, that determining is a very important. There should be a crystal clear guidelines about that. Otherwise, that creates a chaos, and that chaos will not be visible in the starting point when the student is doing his work and or her work, and then the work is like a developing, but that chaos will be very visible and unmanageable when it will go into the like a fortune creation, maybe in the form of some technology transfer event. It may be in the form of a startup activity, it may be selling of a patent, it may be licensing royalty, and at that time there will be the issue.